The views expressed by the speakers are their own, and neither their employers nor the Worshipful Company of Information Technologists and its subsidiaries are responsible for them.
We are a DCMS initiative being run out of the Arts Council, where we are here to try and help the arts and culture sector with their digital footprint. Okay. So let's start with who I am. So yes, my name's Hadyn Corrodus. I'm the social media tech champion for the southeast of England. There are actually 9 different tech champions, and I'll go through each of them shortly. But my role is to try and share best practice on social media. You can have consultancy with me, one-to-one consultancy. We do training sessions, etc., etc. I've been working with social media for about 13 years now. So I've been doing it for quite a long while, and like as mentioned, with brands, with cultural organizations for the last 2 years at the Arts Council and the agency side as well. So how do we do it? We support the sector to harness the benefits of technology and achieve digital ambitions. So there's National Theatre just went through some of the great stuff they're doing, and not every organization will have the capabilities or maybe the team or the resources or even the brand awareness of an organization like National Theatre. So we're here to try and show you the ways that you can still have success and still win based on your own resource and based on your own level of success and what you determine to be success. So the tech champions, I'll go through them now. So there's 9 of us, as I said before. Dean Shaw is our digital content and video curator. Emma Roberts is e-commerce and merchandising. We work for people like Universal and Gibson. Nick Kime is our box office and CRM. He works with people like Spectrix and he's been in the space for about 10 years now. Myself. We've got Peggy Newman, who's the newest member to our team. She works on email marketing based in the Bristol office. We've got James Acker, which is data and analytics. He's based out in Manchester. The fabulous Roberta Beatty, she's our website specialist, has been working in websites for about 20-25 years now. Saeed Rahman, which is SEO and paid marketing. And then finally, Mark Burns, who looks after digital marketing and strategy. So we're based all across England and all of the 9 Arts Council offices, so that we can basically reach or connect with anybody or any arts and culture organization who is looking for support within each region. Okay. So how do you access support from us? We have a website, digitalculturenetwork.org.uk. Say it one more time, digitalculturenetwork.org.uk. And what you can do on that website is we have loads of resources. So we have how-tos, we have how to get this started. We've got breaking news. You can sign up to our newsletter. And there's a whole plethora of resources on our website that really give you an understanding of the steps you may need to take within digital. So be it in social media, e-commerce, CRM, data analytics, Google, whatever it may be, we have a whole host of resources there that can really help you get started and on your journey to a digital transformation. We do webinars. We actually have 22 webinars, I believe, up on our YouTube page and our website. Covering everything from online safeguarding, getting started with email marketing, understanding SEO. So we cover a lot of the bases, and we're continuing to do more webinars as the year goes on. We've got another 6 months worth of webinars already lined up, and will be going up on our website in the next few days and weeks. Our YouTube page. So our YouTube page, we use it mostly to host our content, but we have loads of different resources on there as well. So how to live stream and revenue generation, as you can see there, by our video content creator Dean. Top 10 e-commerce mistakes. It also hosts our webinar videos as well, so you can watch them back. And then the Twitter page. So our Twitter page is there to just keep you updated on everything what's happening within the sector and digital news, and from a digital perspective. Okay, so we share any information that we feel is relevant based on our conversations that we're having within the sector and with the different NPOs or anybody who can be funded by Arts Council. And so it's as much new information and cutting edge information as possible. So hopefully that you guys can get an idea of what's happening within the wider world or the commercial world, and you can use it to your own benefit. Mm-hmm. If you want to follow us, it's ace_DCN. So ace_DCN. So that's pretty much what we are doing at the moment. We've been working now for just over 2 years. In fact, it's 2 years in the end of this month. And we've worked with now, the numbers are incredible, but I know we've worked with literally, I think over 1,000 cases. I think we've done over 1,000 cases. We've just worked with so many different organizations. We've had a real feel for how the sector works now, and we're just here to help and support you. So it's a free service. Please do get in touch. We've got another year to our contract, so we'll be here for another year at least. So please do get in contact with us, and we can try and help you with your strategies, with your website designs, with your SEO or video content, whatever it is you're trying to do. Just get in contact via the addresses on this page here. Okay.